Anijam 2 made over $2 billion at the box office. Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse won an Oscar. Arcane broke Netflix records and set the internet ablaze. And if you're a filmmaker, animator, or a creator watching this, there's definitely a story sitting inside you that you know could grab strangers by the throat and impact them. But you don't have the money, crew, or actors to bring it to life. In animation, that takes years to learn and thousands of dollars to hire a professional. And this is where Anijam AI changes everything. Anijam AI is a free browser-based animation platform built by two former Adobe researchers who got tired of watching creative people get stranded, bouncing between tools, patching inconsistencies, and never actually making anything. So instead of building for professional animators, they built it for people who just want to tell stories. You don't need to know what a keyframe is. You don't need animation skills, studio, crew, or budget for actors. Just your story and your ability to type. You can open it on your laptop or your phone, describe your story, and it builds the entire animated scene for you. Characters, movement, lighting, atmosphere, voice, lip sync. Because Anijam covers the full workflow from idea generation to script writing, storyboarding, consistent character creation, animation, voiceover, lip sync, music, and final video output, all inside one window without you ever switching to another tool. It also gives you access to a full professional style library, from classic animation aesthetics to cinematic looks, comics, and you can create your own style. Now before we start, look at this toolbar for a moment, because Anijam AI gives you two ways to work. You can use the individual tools directly, the image generation icon to build a single scene, the motion control icon to add cinematic camera movement like pans, zooms, and tilts, the voice icon, the lip sync icon, and the character icon for building consistent characters and locking their expressions. Every one of these is a standalone creative tool you can pick up and use on its own. Or, like we did, you hand the full pipeline to the AI agent and direct the whole production the way a director directs a team. Now, we are going to show you exactly what that looks like by walking you through how we built a story-driven, cinematic, animated music video called My Fox in the Window. From the very first prompt to the finished film, entirely inside Anijam AI. And whether you want to tell your story with a cartoon, an animated comic series, an explainer, a brand film, or a short film, the workflow is exactly the same. Here's what we gave it. Let's create a cinematic storytelling emotional music video. The song is about a girl missing someone who used to be close. It's a warm and melancholic music video. Now, before the agent generated a single image, we also gave it the song lyrics because the lyrics are the emotional foundation of everything that follows, and we wanted the agent to understand our story before it made a single visual decision. The agent read both and built a complete story outline in seconds. It has 8 scenes, 2 characters, 4 locations. Every moment in the film is mapped to a specific line in the song. This is something that would take a writer and director hours to develop. You can also go through it and add a few changes to it. Then it asked for the visual style. And this is a real creative decision because each style in Anijam AI is a completely different emotional world. If you are a brand, a studio, or a creator with a signature visual world, you can also upload your own reference images and create a custom style. So Anijam AI learns your visual identity and applies it consistently across everything you create. We chose Pixie Pop 3D because this story needed warmth without losing its emotional weight. Pixie Pop 3D brings Pixar's soft cinematic visual language to the character and makes it real enough to move you. Then, the agent built the storyboard and shot list. And this is where Anijam AI does something most animation tools completely ignore. The character gets the same face across multiple emotional states in the entire film. Lumi in scene 1 is the same Lumi in scene 8. The fox in a golden memory flash is the same fox in shot 18, 20, and shot 32. That consistency is what makes your audience trust and believe in the world you are building for them. With the characters locked, the agent storyboarded the entire film. And if you look closely, there's 39 shots across 8 scenes, every one mapped to the emotional arc of the song. Now here's where the directing comes in. Once every shot was confirmed, the agent animated all 39 clips. Same characters, same world, same emotional language from the first frame to the last. Then assembled them on the timeline with the original song underneath. From a concept and a set of lyrics to a fully assembled cinematic animated music video inside one browser window. Here is what it looks like.
Your laughter would stay like paw prints that never fade away. Where did you go, little fox of mine? Slipping through the silver of my mind. I still leave the window cracked tonight, just in case you wander back inside. You were here then gone, like a quiet storm. But the space you want still waits for you, my fox in the window.
By the way, if you want to watch the full video, there's a link in the description. Everything you just watched was built by one person in a browser, and the link to start building yours is in the description right now. And if you want to know how to control your audience's attention and emotion in your film without reshooting your scene multiple times, the link to the Shot Composition Bible is in the description. It gives you the complete thinking system to creating unforgettable films. You can also join Anijam's creator community. Filmmakers and creators are already building there daily. Your story has been waiting long enough. The tool is free. The link is below. Go build it.